Hi guys, I'm Katie Jones and I'm here with LoveCrochet today to teach you how to make your very own crochet flower motif. We're going to be doing the motif which was part of the Frida Kahlo collection and features here in our blooming bomber, but we'll be going through 3 different steps to show you how you make a basic motif and grow it to larger so you can make a full granny square. The series will be 3 parts, so doing this basic motif in the centre, which is ideal for beginners, growing this to your first 3D flower and then completing the full motif and turning it into a square. I'm going to be using up yarn from my stash, and just make sure if whatever yarn you're using that you match your hook size to it. Let's get started. For step 2, building on our basic flower and our first 3D petals, we're going to take our 4th colour, put that on our hook, and we're now going to flip our flower over to the wrong side, and we're going to join in on our 3rd round here, and we're going to go under our cluster through the side, grab our yarn, pull through, so we've got 2 loops, and wrap pull through both. So we've done a double crochet join. We're then going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to join in under our cluster here. So we're going to double crochet join. So we go under, take our yarn, pull through, we've got 2, wrap, pull through both, and chain 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then under our next cluster, chain 4, and we're going to carry that around all the way, and I'll meet you at the end. When we get to the end, we're going to slip stitch join into our first double crochet, so in and pull through everything. This row makes the foundation for our petals, and we're going to now work into that. So we're going to want to flip our work round again, and we're going to slip stitch into this first chain space here to set ourselves up in the right direction. We're now going to do 1 double crochet, 2 half trebles in the same space, 1, 2, 2 trebles, 1, 2, 2 half trebles again, 1, 2, and a double crochet to finish off our first petal. So we're going to repeat that into our second chain space here. So we're going to do 1 double crochet, 2 half trebles, 2 trebles, 2 half trebles, and a double crochet to complete the pattern of the petal. We're now going to want to repeat that for the further 6 chain spaces, and so that's 1 double crochet, 2 half trebles, 2 trebles, 2 half trebles, 1 double crochet, and then I'm going to meet you at the end. Tuck that tail behind so it's out of the way, and we're going to slip stitch join into that first double crochet to complete the round. If you want a basic flower, we're going to end here, and you take your scissors and you cut and you pull through and fasten off.